Early this year, SJCam launched the SJ5000X Elite as a replacement for its predecessor, the SJ5000 Plus. The Elite is capable of shooting 4K video at 24 frames per second and comes with a 2-inch LCD display. With these impressive specifications, the SJ5000X Elite looks to be a high-value action camera offering. In this video, we compare the SJ5000X to the industry standard for action cameras, the GoPro Hero 4 Silver. On paper, both cameras' widest field of view is 170 degrees, but in testing, the SJ5000X has a much narrower field of view compared to the Hero 4 Silver. Magnifying the footage to 400%, there is no doubt that the Hero 4 Silver has better detail compared to the Elite. The footage from the SJ5000X appears to be less clear and has a subtle amount of noise to it. As for color, with both the cameras left at the default setting, the Elite appears to be more saturated than the Hero 4 Silver. While some users may prefer the extra saturation the Elite brings to the image, the color neutrality of the Silver is more conducive for post-processing, especially important for professional filming. Surprisingly, the SJ5000X Elite has pretty outstanding image quality in a side-by-side comparison of low-light footage. The Elite's footage contains less noise compared to the Silver. However, the Elite has a higher contrast image with darker blacks, which again, may not be desirable for post-process editing. The sound the Elite records is rather muffled and not very loud in playback. The sound is even less clear when recorded through a dive housing. The Silver performed better all around in terms of sound. Overall, we think the SJ5000X Elite is fairly competitive with the Hero 4 Silver in image quality, and for the price, a great value action camera. If this video helped you, please leave us a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos on action cameras and everything GoPro. Thanks for watching, and have a great shoot.